Do you know why you require this uninstall software? Let me explain to you. This software will remove the leftover of the program, which will not allow the same software to install again in your system. So you need to clear all the logs of registers on your computer even if you have a problem uninstalling it. Click on Revo. So I got a problem with CorelDRAW 7, so I will try to uninstall CorelDRAW 7. It is a bigger file, so it takes quite a little time. Click on uninstall. Click on yes. So it will take few seconds. Click on advanced. Normally you cannot uninstall them from window add and remove programs. This is the best software according to my knowledge. The Revo is absolutely free software. A link is given in the description box so that you can download it. Click on remove. And once one is done, you can click on finish. Click on advanced. So now you can see the main leftover registries items. So I prefer to select all and delete and then click finish. So this will take few minutes so that it uninstalls all the registry and the softwares and the leftovers so that you can install it again. If you like the video, please do subscribe and like and share.